Hello friends, we are solving the question of the industrial engineering for the production planning and control PPC for 2 marks. And the question of the is just saying that in the time series forecasting model, the demand for 5 time periods was 10, 13, 15, 18 and 20. And equation F equal to, it means the forecasting equation is 6.9 plus 2.9 T, where F is the forecast for the period T. Now what he is asking, he just asked the sum of the absolute deviation for the 5 data. Now what he given, he just given for, I just saying the time periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he provide the demand is as 10, 13, 15, 18 and 9. Now it said dt and ft. How can we calculate the ft? He's saying that ft is equal to the 6.9 plus 2.9 t. It means it's vary with the time. So if I'm saying for t equal to 1 is become ft equal to 6.9 plus 2.9 and it's become 9.8. Okay, same manner t equal to 2, when I put, then f2 become 6.9 plus 2.9 into 2 equal to 12.7. So I find the value of f3, same is become 6.9 into 2.9 into 3 equal to 15.6. f4 become 6.9 plus 2.9 into 4 equal to 18.5, and f5 equal to 69 plus 2.9 into 5 is become 21.4. So now I find the value of ft corresponding the time period, and what is the value is 9.8, 12.7, 15.6, 18.5 and 21.4. So what he asked, he just asked the sum of the absolute deviation. First, what is the deviation? The deviation is the difference between dt minus ft. Now, if I am asking the absolute deviation, so what is the meaning of absolute deviation? Is become dt minus ft, mod of dt minus ft. So he just asked you the mode absolute deviation. So you just subtract dt minus ft and it's become 0.2, 0.3, 0.6, and it's become 0.5 and it's become 0.6. Now you just ask the sum of the absolute deviation, and the sum is become 22.2. So if you can see, then the option A is correct. Thank you.